What's the meaning of amazement? Amazement. 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 Amazement.
Amazement is a feeling of great surprise or wonder. It is the state of being astonished or amazed at something unexpected, extraordinary, or beyond what one would normally expect. Amazement can result from witnessing an impressive feat, experiencing something miraculous, or encountering something unexpected. It is often characterized by a sense of awe, fascination, and disbelief. When someone experiences amazement, they may be left speechless, awestruck, or overwhelmed with emotion. Overall, amazement is a powerful and positive feeling that can inspire curiosity, creativity, and a deeper appreciation for the world around us.